you sleep with? Hey, look, the friendship is already over. You may as well just tell me. Did you fuck Stacy? Yeah. I should have known. Nobody needs to get together that many times to pick up carpet samples. I'm so stupid. What carpet store is even open at midnight on a Tuesday? I thought we were cool, man. We've been friends since you were born. 8 weeks ago. What kind of friend does that? What kind of friend sleeps with his best friend's girl? Oh, I'm sorry. Am I boring you? Is my devastation not gripping enough for you? You're such a piece of shit. I hope to God there's a hell. Please let there be a hell, and may you go to it when you die. A special hell. A hell for kittens. And there, may an unimaginable roster of shrieking demons with razors where their teeth should be rip and shred the miserable flesh from your bones, bones that will be filled with a bubbling black marrow, boiled by the heat. What? Where did you get a ball? Not cool, man. Not cool. Well, I hope you know I'm moving out. Good luck with the rent, fucko. You don't even have a job. Here's my key. Oh. Come on, get it. Get it. You broke my heart, man. You know how I know there's a hell? Because a universe that could create a consuming evil like kittens couldn't exist if it didn't create a place to cast their blackened souls when they die. It exists. You're going there. Hell is for kittens.